Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Do you ever find yourself gazing at your cat, heart full of love, just wishing they'd pick your lap as their go-to spot for a snooze? It can feel a bit personal when they seem to prize their independence over your open arms. Trust me, it's a feeling countless cat owners know all too well. We see all those pictures and videos of super cuddly lap cats, and we can't help but want that same cozy, physical connection with our own feline friends. But what if I told you that with a little patience and a bit of insight into your cat's world, you could turn your lap into their absolute favorite place to be? This isn't about getting lucky or forcing them into it. It's all about building such a strong foundation of trust that your cat chooses you. In this video, we're going to break down the simple, step-by-step methods to build that trust and encourage your cat, no matter what their personality is like, to see your lap as the best seat in the house. We'll cover everything from reading their body language to creating an atmosphere they just can't resist. Let's get to it. Before we dive into the 10 proven tips, let us take a moment to understand why our feline friends might be giving your lap a wide berth. Now, cats aren't pack animals like dogs. They're more like those cool loners in high school, fiercely independent with a small circle of trust. Sitting on your lap is a sign of deep trust, and it's all about creating an environment where your cat feels safe and secure. Now remember, this isn't about tricking your cat into submission. It's about building a relationship based on mutual trust and respect. All right, let's jump into our top tips. Number 1, create a cozy lap. Cats love warmth and soft textures. Think of your lap as the ultimate VIP lounge. Place a fleece blanket or one of their favorite beds on your lap. If you go in the bed route, elevate it slightly so your cat can easily hop on and off. It's all about making your lap irresistible. Pro tip, cats adore heat. Consider using a heating pad under the blanket. Just make sure it's covered so those little paws don't get burned. Number 2, timing is everything. Cats are more likely to seek out affection when they're feeling sleepy, full, or just chilling. So try these prime times for lap snuggles. After mealtime or during their regular nap time. It's also essential to read your cat's body language. Look for signs of relaxation like a slow blink or a tail held high and slow. When you spot these cues, it's your sign to lay down the groundwork for a potential lap session. Number 3, use treats or toys to build positive associations. Now you're not bribing your cat, you're simply guiding them towards a delightful surprise. Hold a treat or dangle a toy while sitting on the couch or chair. When your cat hops up, even just one paw, reward them with praise and the treat. Consistency is key here. Make this a daily habit to build a positive association with your lap. Pro tip, choose high-value treats for extra motivation. Those little fishies or chicken bites tend to work wonders. Number 4, respect their boundaries. If your cat jumps off, don't chase them. Let them explore and come back on their own terms. This builds trust and shows your lap is a safe zone, not a cat trap. Number 5, body language matters. Sit relaxed, no sudden moves. Cats can sense anxiety, so you want to look and feel calm. Avoid reaching out like you're grabbing for them. Instead, relax and let your cat approach you. Pro tip, mimic a cat's natural posture. Sit with your legs slightly open, which signals you're welcoming but not threatening. Number 6, pet in the right spots. Most cats love gentle strokes on the cheeks, chin, or base of the tail. This reinforces the positive feeling they associate with being close to you. Pro tip, invest in a good brush. Brushing your cat before lap time can help remove loose hair and mats. Plus, it's a great way to bond. Number 7, associate your lap with routine. Cats thrive on consistency. Always sit in the same spot with the same blanket when you want cuddle time. Over time, your cat will associate your lap with the enjoyable routine. Pro tip, pair lap time with a favorite activity. For example, brushing or playing a calming song. This creates a positive association. Number 8, use scent. Cats rely heavily on their sense of smell. Wear a shirt or blanket that smells like you. This helps them feel more comfortable in your presence. Pro tip, rub the blanket or shirt on your cat as bedding or toys to transfer your scent. It's like a mini-set adventure for your cat. Number 9, keep sessions short at first. Don't expect marathon cuddle sessions right away. Start with just a few minutes each day. If your cat stays for 30 seconds, that's a win. Gradually increase the time as your cat becomes more comfortable. Pro tip, end on a positive note. If your cat starts to leave, end the session with a positive interaction. A gentle pet or a tasty treat will leave them wanting more. Number 10, never punish or scold. If your cat avoids your lap, remember, you're building a relationship here, not forcing a cuddle fest. Stay patient, keep trying, and celebrate every tiny victory. Pro tip, your cat's personality plays a big role. Some cats simply aren't lap cats. So adjust your expectations and cherish the cuddles you do get. Now here's the magic formula that ties it all together. If you've made it this far, you're probably wondering what's the secret sauce to getting your cat to love your lap. Well, it's not about tricks, treats, or endless patience. It's about understanding your cat's world. Cats aren't dogs. They're not social creatures who crave group hugs. They're solitary hunters who value their independence. So when your cat chooses to sit on your lap, they're showing you the ultimate compliment. They trust you. It's crucial to understand that you're not chasing a cat. You're becoming a destination. A destination that is warm, inviting, and safe. A place where a cat can escape the chaos of the world and just be. To achieve this, ensure your lap is cozy, that your timing is impeccable, that you respect your cat's boundaries, and that you speak their language through body language and scent. Each of these steps is like a brushstroke on a canvas, painting a masterpiece of trust and affection. The journey from a distant observer to a lap lover doesn't happen overnight. It's a series of small steps, gentle nudges, and unwavering patience. As you continue to refine your approach, you'll see gradual progress. A hesitant paw on your lap, a brief moment of stillness, and eventually, a full-on cuddle. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that every cat is unique. Some will leap onto your lap with enthusiasm, while others will take weeks or even months to warm up to the idea. Embrace the differences, celebrate the progress, and never lose sight of the end goal, a deeper bond with your feline companion. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What has been your experience in getting your cat to sit on your lap? Share your stories, tips, and questions in the comments section below. We're eager to learn from your journey. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful pet tips, and share this with a fellow cat parent who could use some lap-loving guidance. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you and your cat in our next video. Until then, happy cuddling.